of green tea contains about 20 to 45 milligrams of caffeine, whereas a typical cup of coffee can hold up to 95 milligrams. This makes green tea a preferable choice for those seeking a gentle boost of energy. However, it's essential to consider that the brewing time and the temperature can significantly affect the caffeine content in green tea. Longer brewing times or hotter water can extract more caffeine from the leaves, potentially doubling the caffeine content in a strongly brewed cup. This variability can make it challenging to manage caffeine intake for sensitive individuals. Compared to soft drinks, which have about 20 to 40 milligrams of caffeine per 12 ounces, green tea can provide a similar caffeine boost with the added benefits of antioxidants. However, for those monitoring their caffeine consumption, understanding these nuances is crucial in making informed decisions about their beverage choices. To enjoy green tea without the undesirable side effects, moderation is key. Limiting intake to 2 to 3 cups per day can help prevent the downsides of excessive caffeine consumption, such as nervousness or sleep disturbances. It's also beneficial to pay attention to how green tea affects your body individually, adjusting your consumption accordingly. Timing can also play a crucial role in mitigating adverse effects. Avoiding green tea late in the day or close to bedtime can help prevent sleep problems associated with caffeine. Instead, consuming green tea earlier can provide the alertness needed without interfering with sleep patterns. For those concerned about iron absorption, consuming green tea between meals can help. This practice reduces the likelihood of green tea interacting with iron consumption during meals. Additionally, including a source of vitamin C with meals can enhance iron absorption, counteracting the inhibitory effects of green tea tannins. Nutritionists and health experts generally support the moderate consumption of green tea as part of a balanced diet. Dr. Lisa Young, a renowned nutritionist, suggests that green tea, when consumed in moderation, can be a healthy addition. However, like any food or drink, it is not a magic bullet and should not be consumed in excessive quantities. Experts also recommend being mindful of the source and quality of green tea. Organic varieties tend to have lower levels of contaminants and pesticides, which can add another layer of safety to the consumption of green tea. Ensuring the green tea is of high quality not only improves health benefits, but also minimizes potential exposure to harmful substances. Moreover, for individuals with specific health concerns, such as pregnant women or those with liver issues, consulting with a healthcare provider before making green tea a regular part of their diet is advised. Personalized advice can help integrate green tea into one's diet without jeopardizing health. For those who find green tea's caffeine content problematic or who suffer from iron absorption issues, there are several alternative beverages that can be enjoyed. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint, are naturally caffeine-free and can offer a comforting warm beverage without the side effects associated with green tea. Another alternative is rooibos tea, which is also caffeine-free and boasts a high level of antioxidants, similar to green tea. It can provide many of the same health benefits without the concerns over caffeine. For those looking for antioxidant benefits but needing to avoid caffeine, rooibos can be an excellent choice. Lastly, lemon water is a simple yet effective alternative. It provides hydration and can be enhanced with a bit of honey for flavor. Lemon water also promotes iron absorption, thanks to its vitamin C content, making it a beneficial choice for those concerned about their iron levels. While green tea offers numerous health benefits, it is not free from side effects. Understanding these potential drawbacks helps individuals make informed choices about their consumption. By considering the amount, timing, and type of green tea, one can enjoy the benefits while minimizing the risks. We encourage readers who have experienced side effects with green tea to share their stories. Your insights could provide valuable guidance to others and help enrich our community's understanding of this popular beverage. Alternatively, if you have questions or concerns about green tea, feel free to reach out for more information. Together, we can navigate the complexities of healthy eating and drinking in a way that best suits our individual needs.